think we're probably about to come up to. You see where that sign is?
Yeah.
That's where the bridge starts.
That's where the bridge is?
Yep. It's about to be fun.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Luke Explores. Today we are checking out something absolutely incredible. We are going to a pretty top secret hospital. We have the light on right now, but we're going to be lights out. There is very high risk for this place. And basically before we go in, we're going to cross over some train tracks. It's kind of more of a mission-oriented explore here. But before we get to anything else, Matthew here is going to kind of explain to the group what it is we're going to do. This is very live. There is a very high % chance that this doesn't go perfectly according to plan, but it's going to be great if it does. So we have to kind of take this seriously. So without further ado, take it away.
So we are about to cross an abandoned bridge. It's about 10 feet up off the ground. So if we fall, we're falling straight to our deaths.
No, it's falling straight into the river.
Straight into the river?
Yep.
Okay.
Do this.
So will we live or not?
Probably still straight to the death.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys ready? Let's do it. Let's go. Come on, guys.
See, nice. No one dead? No one's dead. You see some of them were wider than others where you could fall through. Yeah. Nice, eh? Okay.
There's a frog. Do you hear all those frogs, dude? So what we have to do is we run straight up the hill along the side of the building into the courtyard.
So I'm gonna go first so you guys can see an example, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
Alright, so
Let him go first.
there's no cop right there at all, so you guys are good, but I'm gonna have to go all the way up and make sure.
I think we should all just go at once.
I agree.
You might want to put that up in case you have to run.
I'm good. I'm holding it out.
All right, you guys ready?
I can run with it. Let's do it.
Careful.
Am I seeing open doors or no?
Not really. I wish.
You can't use lights, right?
Not yet. But then we're good. We're going up there. Up to the top.
Let's go.
You see what I mean by this place is left in time?
It really is. I'm gonna find my picture.
Windows. Watch your light window. That's not gonna go up.
Yeah, I know. So much fun.
You see how it's frozen in time, guys?
Yeah, it's
Literally
nice.
could open up tomorrow. I mean, they would have to do a little bit of cleaning, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Alright, how fat am I?
Yeah, how much do you weigh?
Oh, it's broken. No, second floor. There's a different stairwell that takes us to the
There's another stairwell we have to find.
Yeah, this place is kind of just left in time. Office is still set up.
The stairwell we're looking for is over here. This is it, all the way to the top.
What's going on, guys? So we are on top of the roof of this giant abandoned hospital right now, and it took us like over an hour to get in, and the way we got in was kind of insane, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta go against the rule book. But we're in now. This video is a little bit different from the style videos I usually shoot, but we're enjoying every second of it. We're gonna get some great shots. We're in the main medical building right now, and there's like 4 or 5 other giant like dormitories and other big facilities that we're gonna check out on this property. And just to note, there's an active prison pretty close to where we are, so there are state troopers consistently doing rounds like right on the other side of the building here. We've seen them drive straight by us a couple times already, so we're gonna be careful, but let's get going with this. This is gonna be an awesome video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying. Let's go. Straight out of the stairwell, there's this really cool chair over here. Guys, I've seen a lot of cool chairs. This is not the chair of the episode, but we are due to find quite the chair today. But this setup is pretty magnificent. Guys, check this out. This still isn't the chair of the episode, but this place is getting cooler room by room. There's a lot more equipment in here, a lot more chairs. You can see why I have a very, very, very high expectation for the chair of the episode, because in other places, like, look at this. This is pristine. Kind of reminds me of the military hospital I did a month or 2 ago. And there's the Christmas decorations. There's always Christmas decorations in abandoned places. Check out this office. It is literally lost in time. That's probably something I'm going to say 100 times tonight, but like, check this out. I'm going to turn this around. Look at this. This office. Like, this place is basically untouched. It's extremely difficult to get into.
Oh man, look who it is.
Who is it?
It's Luke Explores.
Oh my gosh, what is going on, Tevin? Are we live right now, or what are we doing?
Pre-recording.
Guys.
Go check out his channel. I'm gonna list it in the description below. This man is a legend.
This man is also a legend. This is Tevin. You guys know him. This is the haunting of North Carolina.
Yes,
himself, right here. This is crazy. We are having a great time. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Again, it's a totally different style video from something I usually do. Sorry if we're extremely bright, but kind of awestruck. Like, we're only a couple of rooms in, and it's getting better and better. So we're having a great time. We got a long night. So let's do it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.
Right back at Tevin too. I'm gonna link him in the description. This wheelchair is pretty cool. Oh my gosh. This is the restraint table. Oh my goodness, I've never seen one of these before in real life or in an abandoned place. This is insane.
You're about to lock your fine host of the evening in the restraint table. Stay tuned.
I think he's talking about me. I'm not 100% sure he's talking about me. He's talking about me. All right, guys.
Assume the position, boy.
All right, let's do it. Oh, well.
Nice.
Guys, why am I getting locked in here?
Okay, you're the host.
I'm scared. What if I went live on YouTube like this? This is crazy.
Nice. Stay locked in.
I'm locked in, man. I'm locked in.
Oh yeah.
Crazy. They call me crazy
You're lucky I
once.
know how to fucking pick a lock.
They sure
They
did.
locked me in a room.
Does someone want to try doing this one?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that one's actually locked.
Ooh.
I just literally heard it go ching.
Yeah, you're weird. Bye-bye.
Our patient is suffering from extreme psychosis and delusional schizophrenia. This is where we put our patient before he gets shot there. And the patient is loose.
Guys, this is crazy. Everything's just kind of left. I've seen a lot of untouched places, but this is definitely up there. Some of the nicer ones. Yes.
Dude, about 2 years ago, I left $1 and some change in a flute in this room, and it's still there.
It's still in there?
Oh, my $1 and my change. Yeah,
Okay, wait,
my
so
money back.
say it one more time what you found there?
So 2 years ago, New Year's Eve, for me, actually I think it was before that, because we didn't make it this far New Year's Eve, I left $1 and some change in a flute that the Yes No box that Brent had got really mad that we took. And well, it's still in here.
Yep. Best believe it.
What the heck?
That just shows how often nobody comes through this building. This is all my
Yep.
shit.
He left
So
money
how
and
old-
he was still...
How old was
It's
this?
at least 2 years. At least
2 years old.
And he just left it and just found it like that.
And now I'm taking my quarters and my $1
Yeah,
back.
now he's taking his money back. After 2 years.
Hey, nobody took it in offer, so.
Guys, check out this old intercom. I've seen a lot of these lately, but none that have looked like this. This is really cool. All right, there's something right here. Oh, it's a game. It's basketball. For like a baby. Guys, is there a ball anywhere? We can play. What did you find?
You're gonna like this.
Am I?
Yes, sir.
Dang. All right, there's a room full of tapes over here. What is it, through this one? Wow. Check this out. This is super cool. I'll turn the brightness down a little bit. Look at this, guys. Oh, these are untouched. They're completely untouched, dude. Wow. Completely untouched.
Chicken noodle soup.
This is so cool.
Yummy.
You found chicken noodle soup? Holy cow. Look at this. This is what we came here for. I saw pictures of this. It's one of the first actual medical looking rooms I've seen here. Wow.
And they even got the cutting tools on it and everything, bro.
Look at, there's cutting utensils, chloroprep, ultrasound gel, transmission gel. This is super cool. So they measure your blood pressure with. This is really cool. Check this out, guys. Right across the way, I didn't even see this. There's another really cool room. Besides a couple beds, this is actually the first like real equipment that I've seen. So this is pretty neat.
I want to see how we can get out the basement.
You can't get out the basement.
Baby shark, There's a giant shark. Where would this come from?
I'm a giraffe.
Hold my bag.
What? No, we're going through here, man.
Come on out. All right, so according to my calculations, we're expecting a large amount of rain. Just a lot of rain. If we look here at the radar, you can see that it sucks. That it really sucks.
It's kind of hard to see,
You
but
get that?
yeah, we're in the middle of a hurricane right now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
Hurricane Debbie, thank you very much. This was super fun. Alright guys, so we're in the next building. Reason we did not film that, or I did not film that, is because, like we were saying earlier, there's a hurricane right now happening, so we had to run through what is absolutely torrential downpour. That was not fun, we were soaked. But we are, ooh, that kind of looks like almost like the restraint table. This kind of looks like the restraint table. Doesn't it look like, that's another one? Yeah. Just has everything ripped off of it. There's quite a bit more mold in here than I would have liked. Whoa. That's cool. This may have been the female ward, actually, not the children's ward. It's an exam table. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this is a children's building.
Yeah, I think it's the female ward.
Who can get a boot? Depending on breaking your leg or something.
That's pretty cool. It's got to be worth something. This is pretty cool. There's probably some more stuff down here. Visitation room. A lot of furniture just stacked in here.
Caw.
We lost our group.
Where's Scott?
Oh wow. That's even cooler than the first one that we saw, man. Bunch of lockers. Yeah, there's quite a bit of mold in here. Hopefully we stumble upon something pretty cool. This building is huge. That's the stairs. Oh, that's cool. This is really cool.
Oh, the cleaning equipment.
Yeah, this is really cool.
That's a creepy hallway.
A lot of security cameras in here.
I know. I'm glad they're not acting.
I know.
This is like something you see on The Walking Dead.
We're walking around on the 3rd floor right now. And Tevin and I are kind of by ourselves, and to be honest, this place, or this building kind of seems more like a dormitory more than anything else. There's a lot of beds. Oh god, we're gonna run into someone. What was that?
Oh.
No, you scared us. Yeah, you can't tell me that this wasn't her children. 100%. This is so cool, man. I've never seen anything like this before. This art is just as cool. I do think that this was probably done post-abandonment, though, to be honest. Looks like it was kind of drawn in. But like this looks original, so like that was definitely here. So I don't know, maybe not.
This is duct tape.
Didn't come from this way yet.
Sponsored by Portland.
lost it. This is actual hurricane weather. This is insane.